What made you buy this course? Since the CCNA course is available for free on the YouTube, also on the internet every. So, but what made you buy my course?
Yeah, the reason why I buy your course, when you did your introduction, when you did the introduction training or class, and you break it down, explain some details very well, which I can digest and memorize. Before I normally watch courses on YouTube. Moreover, I normally follow Jeremy on YouTube.
Okay.
Understand? But when I joined introduction class, it was well explained and more breakdown as okay, this should be. And when I bought the course and I find out that you break it, you break the course in a structure by it won't be much load or stress on it that you can pick easily.
Hmm. So you found my explanations more easier than Jeremy, right?
Yeah. And Jeremy, yeah.
All right, that's good. So the webinar, I think, which you attend with me, the live CCNA demo class, that helped you to make the decision, correct?
Yeah. I was, yeah. That made me decide to pay for the course.
Yeah, yeah.